Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of Why Math. And in this very first episode, we will learn about the basics of algebra. Have you ever looked at a math problem and wondered, why are there letters mixed in with numbers? Well, if so, then you are in the right place. Because in this series, we will learn about algebra from the very beginning, one small concept at a time. And each video will focus on one topic, so you guys can learn without getting overwhelmed. And in this video, we will start with the most basic question. What is algebra? Let's get started. These are the list of contents we will be learning today. It is the definition of algebra and then history of algebra, then basics of variables, and lastly some quizzes. Now, what exactly is algebra? By definition, algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers with changing values. Here is one example of algebra. The letter x represents numbers with changing value, and it is called variable. But before we learn about variable, we need to know about the history of algebra. The word algebra comes from the Arabic word aljabar, and the word algebra comes from the title of one of Al-Khwarizmi's book on solving equations. So this is the picture of Al-Khwarizmi, and his full name is Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi. He is known for being the father of algebra, and the reason behind that is because of this book. This book was written by him to introduce the world about the very first version of algebra. I usually call them the Book of Reunion, but we need to inspect more about it. So, the actual title of the book is called The Compendious Book on Calculation by Completion and Balancing. And unlike modern algebra, where we usually use letters like XYZ, Al-Khwarizmi wrote variables by full Arabic words, such as shay, which literally translates to thing. Now this is the comparison. Like example, 3 apples plus a noun is equals to 5. Before modern algebra, they just write it like this. 3 and a thing is equal to 5, which is a literal translation of this. I mean, it is quite effective, but it's not as efficient because when there's a complex equation, it's gonna take a lot of time just to write the equation before actually solving them. But after modern algebra, it's getting a lot more simple, and it is so efficient that we just have to write it with 5 things. It is 3 plus x equals to 5. It's that simple, guys. Now, you may be wondering, why do we use x? Isn't there any other letters we can use? Yes, in fact, you can use any other letters. But the reason why we use x instead of any other is because of a philosopher named Rene Descartes. Okay, so why do we use letters? In the 1600s, Rene Descartes popularized using letters to represent numbers. He used XYZ for unknown values and ABC for known values. So not only that he made algebra a lot more simple, but he also encourages many other mathematicians to learn more about algebra. Now that we already understand about the definition of algebra and the history behind it, we need to learn about the most important concept of algebra, and it is variable. What are variables? So variables are symbols, usually letters, that represent a noun or changing values. For example, 3 apples plus 2 apples is equal to 5 apples, and it is written like this: 3 plus 2 equals 5. But what if it's incomplete? Like 3 plus unknown equals 5. It is written like this, guys. 3 plus x equals 5. Quite simple, isn't it? Well, we need more examples to make it more clear. So 2 plus x equals to 10. Because 2 plus 8 is equals to 10, meaning that x is equals to 8. And then y plus 5 is equals to 8. Because 3 plus 5 is equals to 8, meaning that y is equals to 3. And then lastly, 10 plus z plus 3 is equals to 15. Because 10 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 15, meaning that z is equals to 2. Here are some key points. So you can actually change the order of numbers or variables when solving algebra with commutatives. But it only works for addition or multiplication. It's not the same for subtraction or division. Well, we will learn about commutatives or other things like that in the next video. So please hit the subscribe button and I will notify you as soon as my videos are uploaded. Now for the last segment of the video, we will do some quiz. So for the rule of the quiz, I will give you 10 seconds and after you finish them, put your answers in the comment. And the timer starts now. Take your time. 5 more seconds and 3, 2, 1. Time is up. So guys, how was it? Was it fun or was it challenging? Well, if you guys already have finished everything, then please put your answers in the comment and I will check them later. Alright, so that was all about the video. In the next video, we will learn about expression and properties in algebra. If you have any questions or feedback about this video, then please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.